Welcome back. So now it's time to create a form that's going to allow admins to edit or update user information. So to do this, I'm going to create a new file here called edit_user.html. And the code is going to be very similar to the edit product. So I'm going to copy the code from the edit product, and then I'm going to paste it in the edit user. And here in the edit user.html, what we want to do is that we want to change the form information. So instead of saying update product, I'm going to say update user info, or just update user. Let's say update user. And then here I'm going to say user ID. And then here I'm going to say here the name. The name cannot be changed, so I'm going to keep the name. I'm going to just say name and display the name without displaying an input for it. So I'm going to change the input to be P. The input is going to be P. It's not going to be an input, it's going to be a paragraph. And I'm going to remove this completely. And then I'm going to say close this tag, and then I'm going to just display a name here. Similar to the user ID. So the name and the ID will be fixed, will never be changed. The next thing that I'm going to work on is the email. I'm going to say here email. So we need here to say type email, and the placeholder is email, the description is email, the name is email, the ID is email. And then we have the third one is we need to update also the role, and also the if you go back to the index, you'll find that we have the role, and we have here the role. Let me check this. We have the role, and we also have the role, and we have the status, and we have the title. So here in the edit user, I'm going to create a new input, and then here I'm going to say title. First we need to say here title, and here the title type is going to be text, and the placeholder is title, and the name is title, and the ID is title. And then we need to update also the role. So here I'm going to say role, and the type is text, the placeholder is role, the name is role, the ID is role. Then we have the status. So the status is going to be a select. Therefore, I'm going to say here inactive or active. I'm going to say active, and the value is active, and here I'm going to say inactive, and the value is inactive. And I'm going to remove the rest of the options. So we will have these two options, and then here I'm going to say update user button, and the ID is update user button. Let me now go to the browser and open up the edit. Here I'm going to say edit user, and here it should be edit underscore user. So the edit user, as you can see, we will have the user ID, the name, the email, the title, the role, and the status.